Hi everyone, in this session we are going to see how to transform data using data flows. So this is my source data set. So what I want to do is I want only 5 columns and only one row that contains the country India. Okay, so you can see that there is a column country and there are datas of countries. So I want to select only India's data and only 5 column. Okay, I want the country, area, birth rate, current account balance and death rate, only this. So let's create a pipeline. Now take this Dataflow activity. Okay, so you can see here in the setting it is telling that select the data flow. So let's create a data flow first. So this one, add the source. So my source is going to be a data lake storage and this factbook1.csv file. So now I'll create a new data set. It is data lake CSV for format, and then we'll create new link service. Select the subscription, storage account name. Now create. Choose the file, your source file, this one, and then OK. I want to skip 2 lines because I don't want this rows. Okay, so let's, and everything is okay. Now go to the source option. You can see here, open the data set and go to the connection. In my data set, the delimiter is semicolon, so I'll choose it and I will choose the first row as header. Or no, since I have skipped the 2 rows, so I will not select it. And then preview the data. So this is the data. Okay. Now go to the schema. You can see it is showing the number of columns 1, but it is wrong. It contains 45 columns, so choose this, and now the column will be 45. Okay. Now go to the data flow. Go to the source option. Everything is okay. This is the projection. Okay. Now this source contains 45 columns. Okay. Click here the plus sign. You will find this select. What select will do? It will help in getting the required column, which means in our case I want only 5 columns, so I need to draw 40 columns. So let's go. See here, I'm going to select first all, then I'll remove this 5 which I want to keep, and the rest I will delete. Okay, and you can name with different name, like I want to give the name, first one is country, second area, third one birth rate, fourth one current balance, fifth one the death rate. Okay, this is all done. Now let's go to create the table. Okay, because our sync is going to be SQL database. So let's first create the table. So go to the SQL database, go to query editor, now create table. Table 1, I don't have table already, so let's create table 1. First column is going to be country, type varchar 50. Then next is the area, float. Next is birth rate, float. Next current balance, float, and death rate, float. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so table is created. We'll come again to the data flow. Here you can see that out of 45 column, we have selected the 5 column. Now select the filter. Why filter? To filter the rows. Okay, for filtering the column, we have select. For filtering the rows, we have this filter. So select the filter. Now write the expression, like what is the condition of filtering the rows. Okay, so we want data of India. So we will write an expression, this one, country is equals to India. Okay, now go to check all the options. Okay, let's see the data preview. For this, you have to start debugging the data flow. Okay, Okay, let's create the sink where we want to store this data. So select the sink. Now create the new data set. It is SQL database. Continue. Create new link service. Subscription. Server name. Database name. Give the username, password, and create. Now select the table. Okay. Yeah. Let's update the data. Okay, so we have got the data of India. Yes. So let's check it in the database. Select star from table 1. Let's see the data is inserted or not. Run it. It is not yet written because we have not executed the pipeline. So now select the data flow in the pipeline. Okay. And then debug here. Go to the output. Succeeded. Let's check it. Let's run it again. Now you can see the data has been inserted. So that is how you can create the data flow and transform the source data and store it to the sync data set or sync storage according to the requirement. That is all for this session. Thank you.